guys, Miss Robertson. Let's talk about solving trig equations again, and this time let's discuss how to find the general form for all solutions. Now the general form is basically a formula to help you find all solutions no matter what interval you're looking at. So we're going to start off with a simple one. Cosine of theta equals negative square root of 2 over 2. And in order to find all solutions, or a general form for all solutions, we're going to start off with the solutions that we can find around the unit circle. So on the unit circle, our problem says cosine, and so that's our x-coordinate, and we're looking for negative square root of 2 over 2. So here's negative square root of 2 over 2, and here's negative square root of 2 over 2. Both in the x-coordinates, so both of those are cosine. What angles give us that? 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. So when you do general form, you're always going to start off with your original solutions. So theta can equal 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Now, when we do general form, we are going to add either 2k pi or k pi to our original solutions. Now this one is for sine, cosine, and its reciprocals, and this one is for tangent and its reciprocal. Okay, and what this is this is a multiple of the periods of each of these functions. And so by adding multiples of the periods, we are going around the unit circle multiple times to gather all the solutions. For example, this spot right here, remember that angles keep going around and around and around the unit circle. So this is 3 pi over 4, but this is also 3 pi over 4 plus a full rotation. So we could get to this spot by starting here and adding full rotations one at a time. That's what this is doing. It's adding a full rotation one at a time for sine and cosine. So when we write the general form, we're going to start off whatever variable or what is here. And so that is going to go first. And we're going to use our first solution, so 3 pi over 4, and we're going to add 2k pi to that. Then we will do it for every solution that we have around the unit circle. So again, theta equals 5 pi over 4 plus 2k pi. That is the general form. Now, how do we use that? Let's say that they want to find all solutions between 0 and 2 pi. So 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than 2 pi. So one way around the unit circle. We're going to start off here. We're going to plug in 0. 0 times anything is 0, and when we add 0 to something, we get what we started with. So one of our solutions is 3 pi over 4. The next solution is 5 pi over 4 because we would add 0 or put 0 in here for k. So 5 pi over 4. And then we would go back here and put in 1. Now if we add 2 pi to anything positive, we are going to be too big for our interval. So these are the only solutions that we have on that interval. But we would want to keep going until our number is too big.